Alright guys, snowing, sleeting, getting the crap that everybody's getting from Fern before it switches over to freezing rain. Let's take out the Quake. Yeah. Whoop. Look at the rooster tail. All right. Going pretty good in the snow. Two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive monster. Spin out. Full throttle. Hard to get full throttle. Spin out. Definitely get good traction in the snow with this thing. All right. Uh-oh. Really cold out here. Don't get to do this often in the snow runs in the south, so gotta take advantage. Full throttle. Spin out. Woohoo! And he connects himself. Yeah! I'm gonna do a full throttle from over here. Here we go. Full throttle. And lands. Has so much power that even in the snow it's pulling wheelies. That's amazing. Just throttle it up. Oh, I don't want to do that. Yeah, buddy. Full throttle. Oh, ho, ho, ho. We lost it. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go in a minute because I'm freezing. Obviously with two-wheel drive, Grom Quake for a little spin. I know it's not waterproof, so we'll hopefully we don't wreck everything. Yeah, buddy. A little underwhelming, but kicking up some good snow. Whoop. Not bad for 2S power. Woo! Already took out the regular Grom. She went really well. Woohoo! All right. Yeah, buddy. Kicking up the snow. All right, it's freezing out. Woohoo! Good for me, good for you. Oh yeah. Ah, one more thing. Yeah.